Welcome to Vantage Point, where we see you.
Attention seniors, it's time to start thinking about your cap and gown for graduation. Don't forget to place your order to insurance. You have everything you need for this special day. They can be reserved by December 18.
Also, seniors, a survey will be sent out to you in January asking you for your senior quotes. So start thinking about something silly or something serious that defines you.
Moving on, the yearbook is currently on sale. Don't miss out your chance to preserve your high school memories. Order now and take advantage of the discount price of $50 before it goes up on January 1st.
We also had an amazing multicultural night, which took place last night. It was a fantastic celebration of diversity and culture, showcasing the talents and traditions of our diverse student body.
Now, let's shift our focus to Spirit Week. Get ready to show off your school spirit throughout the week with exciting themed dress-up days. And of course, don't forget the assembly happening this Friday. It promises to be an energetic and fun-filled event.
What's up, Eagles? I'm Brian.
And I'm EJ.
Welcome to Squad! Fall sports are coming to an end,
But winter sports are in.
but first, let's provide a recap of the fall sports season.
All right. Cleveland's football team head coach, Coach Hicks, made a strategic decision to put varsity into JV. This allowed our players to mitigate injury risks due to fewer players. This transition led to such as us winning our homecoming game against Lincoln and destroying our opponents even more than last time.
What's up, Eagles? The volleyball team has encountered many difficulties this season, facing a lot of challenging teams. But they managed to pull off a win against Rainier Beach at home, marking their first win since 2019.
Cross country also saw a remarkable increase in team members this year, allowing them to have a complete squad for varsity runs. A special shout out to Hersey and Cal for qualifying for regionals and being the first female runner to qualify in varsity runs.
Winter sports season is here.
It's not too late to sign up for winter sport.
There is wrestling,
Boys swim,
girls bowling,
and finally boys and girls basketball.
you can sign up all these sports online on Final Forms.
And if you need to get in contact with our athletic director, Jody, go to his office, Building 3, for any furthermore questions.
Well, that's all, folks. We'll see you next time on Squad.
Hi, this is the Woman on the Street segment. My name is Dryden, and I am also here with my co-anchor,
Vin. I'm a freshman here at Cleveland.
All right, let's get going. All right, we're doing a holiday trivia themed questions. So today we have
Lorenzo,
Colston,
Bogan,
JJ,
Jermaine,
And
Gray,
Gray.
Jaime, Jack,
Bella.
Najma,
what is Santa's favorite food?
Cookies,
Cookies.
Ding, ding, ding! And what day was the Declaration of Independence?
July 4th, 1776.
1776.
Yeah!
What holiday is celebrated for 8 days?
Come on, guys. Hey, you're cheating!
Hanukkah.
Yeah!
Is it Hanukkah?
You're supposed to ding the bell.
Hanukkah?
Yeah! What day is Christmas?
December 25th.
This is
December 25th.
December 25th.
yeah, okay. These are your questions. Like, why are you filming him eating? Name a reindeer that is not named Rudolph.
Dasher.
Kristoff? I guess Kristoff might work.
I think it's Dasher.
Green think about
Dasher, right?
yes.
Prancer.
Math question. What is the formula for the circumference of a circle?
Pi. Pi times r squared.
You said it. It's
Pi
just-
squared. No, pi times radius.
Yeah. What does Cleveland do better?
Different.
Yeah.
Nothing. We do everything better. We do everything. Education, STEM.
Do you know it?
Different better.
Yeah. Okay. All right. This concludes our Woman on the Street section. So long. My name is Dryden, and I'm here with
Finn.
and we will see you on the next street. Bye-bye.
That's all for now, Eagles.
Stay tuned and make sure to make the best of your high school experience.
Enjoy your winter break and happy holidays.
Stay fly, Eagles.
Keep soaring on.
Squaw!
You can't squaw.
You can't. But I wanted to! My heart and soul said squaw!
Is this good?
I'm Ryan. And I'm EJ. Welcome to the squad.
Oh, let's say at the same time.
I thought that was nice.
For Vantage Point. You're going to be famous and on TV.
Welcome to Vantage Point. Sorry, that was on me. I put up my W immediately because I'm a winner.
Oh, we're not ready. Stop.
Okay, I feel bad for whoever has to edit this, man.
I forgot the line.
Just throw it back.